over the last 104 years, what we effectively have done is purely defending workers' rights. We've improved pay and benefits across this country, and whether you're in the private sector or not, you have benefited from the negotiations of these unions because it is the negotiations of public sector unions that drives up uh, uh, pay and benefits in the private sector. But for late, one of our primary focuses, of course, is advocating for accountable government and open government. And as you can see in my message today, I'm calling for whistleblowers. Nobody should be afraid of blowing the whistle. Nobody should be afraid of calling out corruption. Nobody should be afraid of calling out when there's a threat to public health and safety. I believe that the union movement has done its utmost best to try to remain relevant and to continue educating and sensitizing the working population, the importance of coming together and speaking from one voice. Um, I think that that conversation has not necessarily trickled into the the universities. It has not trickled into the high schools, the tertiary level institutions, because had it been mentioned resoundingly in those institutions, then annually, as we see an influx of graduates into the workforce, they would come into the workforce with that knowledge of the importance of unionizing. However, I don't think that from an education or an academic standpoint, uh, there has been enough effort to have unionism and trade unionism, for that matter, as a primary or as a main course to let people know the importance of that.